Well, former President Trump's legal troubles front and center today as he gets a trial date for the hush money case while he cobbles together the money for a $500 million fraud judgment in New York.
Chief Legal Correspondent Katie Barlow joining us live from the newsroom tonight, tracking the very latest. Katie?
3 weeks from today, former President Donald Trump will become the first former president to face criminal charges at trial. Today, Judge Juan Manuel Merchan set trial for April 15th after rejecting Trump's argument that trial should be delayed. Trump is facing 34 felony charges for falsifying business records for payments that were made to women in the run-up to the 2016 election in order to cover up extramarital affairs. Prosecutors say Trump logged payments to his former lawyer and fixer Michael Cohen as legal fees instead of when they were really to pay the women off. Now, Cohen pleaded guilty to federal campaign finance charges related to a $130,000 payment to adult film star Stormy Daniels. Today, Trump's lawyer Todd Blanche said his team just received documents from that federal investigation in January and needed more time to review them, blaming prosecutors for not getting them sooner.
Judge Merchan was upset about was that Trump's lawyers waited and waited and waited to do that. And now they're saying, oh, wait a minute, can I have a delay in this trial? Because, gosh, I dragged my feet for so long to ask the Southern District for these important documents that I need. Judge Merchan's point was, listen, if these documents were so important to you, you wouldn't have waited until the last minute to ask for them.
Meantime, Trump was supposed to pay nearly $500 million to New York officials today after a judge found him liable for fraud for misrepresenting the value of his real estate assets. At the last minute today, a New York appeals court said he could pay just $175 million of that judgment, giving him 10 days to do so. He was asked whether he would accept foreign money to meet that deadline.
I think you'd be allowed to, possibly. I don't know. I mean, if you go borrow from a big bank, many of the banks are outside of this. As you know, the biggest banks, frankly, are outside of our country. So you could do that, but I don't need to borrow money. I have a lot of money. I built a great company.
Mark your calendars. Trump's first trial, April 15th.